boy. I really know what the fuck to do today, but there's like a storm brewing over here. Windy as fuck. But I don't know, man. Just looking around. Might get some redemption down this little path I'm walking down. There's at the bottom down there, there's like a drain cover. I could put my day 1 and day 3 together and try and roll and ollie it. But I think I might eat shit trying that. But I might give it a go as well, you know what I mean? Who knows? But we'll see in a minute. I'm just looking around, man. This way it's good to go. But yeah. Right, let's try and get some rolling around. This feels quick, man. Hey, this feels fucking dodgy. Woo! Fucking hell, mate. So that fucking far? Woo. You know one thing I've noticed the most? Mate, my fucking legs hurt from day 1 and day 2 and day 3. Like, my fucking legs and my ribs, muscles hurt I didn't even know existed. It's fucking crazy, but still fucking loving it though, you know what I mean? So we're cruising around this bit better now. I ain't going back down here though. I'm just trying to cruise around better, man. Fuck, it's windy. Getting better at pushing as well. See, this is just flat and pushing. Oh. Right, then I'll fuck your legs up there. What do you reckon? Reckon I got this? What do you reckon? Fucking trape it down it or something. Then I've messed with your legs. But, like that. Phone call 2 seconds.
Hello, Sydney. Remember me?
Hello. What? Sydney? Who the fuck's Sydney? Fuck off, mate. Sorry about that. Some fucking randos ringing me. I ain't got a clue who fucking Sydney is. No, just because it's so windy, man. Like, it's fucking hard, man. I think I'm just going to try and ollie up this curve, this will be the banger for the day, and I've got to keep it short, man, because honestly, this shit is fucking gusting. I feel like if I come down here, just start from here, then ollie up the side of that little thing there, on the right. And that's a fucking... That'd be crazy. That's putting day 1 up to 3 together in one run, but it's gonna hurt if I fucking eat shit in it, but we'll do it for the boys and girls. No, I'm just going for the rolling one there. Fuck it. I've got to get this, man. It's fucking sketchy though. I nearly had that, you know. I've got to get this. man, rolling ollies up stuff so much fucking harder. Oh, I don't give a shit about taking that, man. Fuck! Mate, it's windy as anything as well, so. Sorry for the shorter one, but it is what it is. Whew! Mate, I ain't being funny. Ollieing up things is fucking a lot harder. Where you're just rolling on flat, innit? And even that bigger curb. But, you know what I mean? Day 4. Ollieing up things. I'm fucking Bam Margera, boys. You know what I mean? Skating up roads now. Fucking. Unlock free roam. Unlock free roam, my boys. Just out here pushing. I'm just pushing to spots now. Which is fucking crazy, man. Feels sketchy as anything though. Yeah, it feels sketchy, man, but we're doing it.